Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change margins in Google Docs. So we can change the margin of the whole document or a specific section as well. I'll show you both. So let's say we select this section. We just highlight this. Come here, click on File. Okay. I want you to scroll down until you find Page Setup. Go ahead and click on this. So this one is selected to apply to the selected content. So if I go ahead and move the margin to 2 inches from the left, this will increase further by 1 inch because there's already a 1 inch. So if I click OK, this is what it will look like, right? So let me undo this. This is only for one section. And for the whole document, you don't even have to select anything. You can just leave your mouse anywhere, your cursor. Come click on File, click on a Page Setup, and we'll apply this to the whole document. 2 inches, as you can see. There we go. We have done that for the whole document. Another tip I can give you guys, you can use a ruler. So this one is at 2 inches, right? I can bring this back to 1 inch, as you can see right there. If you don't see the ruler, make sure this is toggled on under View, okay? And it's really that easy and simple.